You can now easily generate AI images and videos for free. Google has combined Nao Banana and Veo 3 into a single platform called Google Whisk. Let's check it out.
If you enjoyed the video,
To find this new tool, you can open your browser and go to this website, labs.google/fx/tools/whisk. Sign in with your Google account. And on the Whisk page, you can see 3 sections: subject, scene, and style. Let's try an example. In this example, I'll upload a picture of a girl as the subject and the photo of an ice cream shop as the scene. If you click the edit icon, you can see that Whisk has analyzed the image and generated the prompt. And you can edit the prompt here if you want, or just close it with the X and move on. Now let's try to generate the image. Simply click the arrow button without entering any prompts, and Whisk will create 2 images. You can also enter your own prompt for more control. For example, a girl is sitting on the chair outside of the ice cream shop, smiling and looking at the viewer. Click the arrow again and Whisk will generate the images. Choose the one you like and click Refine. Here you can add little details, such as the girl is holding an ice cream. Want to turn it into a video? Just click Animate. Enter a prompt such as, the girl takes a lick and says, "If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Geek." Click the arrow and Whisk will generate your video.
if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Geek.
You can also change the style of the image, and you can upload an image as the style, and for example, this one is the comic style. Click the arrow and Whisk will generate your image in the given style. And that is all we have for you today, and here's another video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy, so you should go watch that one. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.